So I bought some Can-Am DS90X models. This one's a 2019. This one's a 2014. I did have a 2010 just as a parts bike, but I did sell that. So far, these have been good after some minor hiccups when I first got them. These do not come with a headlight or any kind of lights for that matter. I did find on Amazon this 6-inch LED light, this bracket that mounts under the handlebars, the switch, and I got a wiring harness with a relay there. And what I did was, so you'll take your handlebars off up here. There's 4 little bolts. I pull the risers out. There's another bolt on each one. And then underneath here, let's see if you can see, there's a nut on each side. We'll go ahead and remove those. And then we'll slide the bracket, goes underneath this plastic. The plastic is just this cover for the indicator lights. And then go ahead and mount it all back up. Put your light on there. And then I found this switch on Amazon as well, so it just mounts right between the cluster and the brake lever, and it's got a little indicator light on there to tell you it's on. So I ran the wires underneath, zip tied them all up to this relay here, mounted that right there. I did that on both bikes just so the kids can ride at night. In Arizona, it's pretty hot during the day, so we kind of go out in the evening and take out the other bikes as well. And it's definitely bright. The kids have no problem seeing, and I like the fact that it turns with the steering wheel, so the kids can see around the turns. It does hinder a little bit, this thing, but you can still get your hand in there, no problem. The kids don't really use it anyway. So yeah, that's the light kit I found on Amazon. I'll include the links in the description again.